Dragofab here. Today I'm doing video for Power BI users, not developers, for people who actually use reports that we're creating. And I'm creating a series of these videos that will help users navigate reports more efficiently. Starting with the refresh button. Sometimes when you have something that doesn't look right, it might be because you've highlighted something and you haven't noticed it and other data has changed. So what you can do, you can just reset all filters and then it all come back to the way the developer set it up. And this is really useful tool if you struggle with something that is not really what it should be. The other thing that a lot of people are not aware of, a lot of Power BI users are not aware of, you can create bookmarks. So what do? If you have, for example, specific slicer that you usually use, you can create a special bookmark. So this is for restaurant 11. I can name it restaurant 11 and save it here. And it will open next time I open this report on this specific restaurant. I can have several bookmarks together. So it don't have to be only one. You can create several. So if you are looking at the report with the different for example, restaurants. You're looking for after two restaurants. So you have restaurant 11 and restaurant 19. So you can have several personal bookmarks with any filters that you want. And it doesn't need to be just one filter. It can filter by several. For example, here we have waiter, we have several like restaurant 4, we have different rating. And if we look at it, for example, like this, and then just reset filters, it's all out. Only waiter left because it was set up by the developer. But if we want to save it, we can choose any number of slicers and add bookmark for restaurant. You can name it like you want, restaurant 3, rating under 3. Rating under 3, save. So I have several bookmarks already, and you can have as many as you want. Another thing that people quite often don't know is that you can choose several. So when you have these squares, it means that you can have several together. So you need to hold Control and you can choose several at the same time. But you need to remember that it's only if you have squares. If you have circles, you can choose only one. So this means that only one option can be opened at a time. To open any visual as table, you go to More Options and Show as Table. And here we have this table, and we can show it at the bottom of the screen, or we can look at it side by side. So here's our visual and our table. As well, you can change the sorting of the table. or other visuals. So for the tables and matrices, it's easy. It's just you just click at the column name and the sorting is changing. For other visuals, it's a bit more hidden. Again, we go to the options. We go to sort by. Currently, it's sorted by quantity, but maybe you want to sort by item name. So you can sort by item name, and also you can sort descending or ascending. So it depends on what you want. And also, if you want, you can change the sorting of our legend as well. So if you want positive to be first, not negative, you can change it as well for yourself. And again, you can save it. You can, for example, update this bookmark. So now, if we go back to this bookmark, the positives are first and the negatives are second. So you don't even just can create bookmarks, but you can update and also mark as default. So if you mark it as default, that means the report will be always opening at this bookmark. For example, we've changed it from previous one to this one. So next time you open the report, it will change everything. And again, with reset slicers, you can reset it. Okay, now you can go back to your bookmark and it will get you back all your slicers and all your sorting the way you wanted. Yeah, thank you.